Hello students, you all are welcome in B4 Pencil and I hope you all are very well at your places also. So today's video is about grammar portion. Do as directed. What you are asked to do, you have to do only that. So it's for class 10. So let's start our video without dealing any time, without wasting any time. So here we go for first set. You can see here. Fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. When Mr. Sharma was coming back, he saw dash girls who were playing in dash ground. Answer. When Mr. Sharma was coming back, he saw some girls who were playing in the ground. Option B. Fill in the blank with a suitable modal. He dash not help laughing. Answer. He could not help laughing. Third, fill in the correct preposition. I prefer tea dash coffee. Answer. I prefer tea to coffee. He has no taste dash music. He has no taste for music. Fill in the blank with a suitable conjunction. This is the house dash Aryan built. Answer is, this is the house which Aryan built. Fifth one is, complete the following sentence using the non-finite form of verb given in the bracket. This rent is reasonable dash a house, and in the bracket we can see furnish. So answer is, this rent is reasonable to furnish a house. Option C. Third, change the tense. I do not trust you. Change into present perfect tense. We know in present perfect tense we use has or have with third form of verb. So here you can see have in first option. I have not trusted you. This option is okay. This is the right answer because here we have used have with third form of trust is trusted. Option 1 is right. Punctuate the following sentence. We want help, not sympathy. Here we will punctuate it. You can see. We want help, not sympathy. First one is not right because help in help H is capital. This is wrong. In second, we want help, not sympathy. This seems right because we want help. There is a pause, so there is a comma. It's right. Practice set 2. Number 1 is fill in the blanks with suitable determinants. I like dash Rose Garden and dash Sukna Lake. Answer is, I like the Rose Garden and the Sukna Lake. Option third. In both the blanks we will fill the. Second, fill in the blank with a suitable modal. He dash lift this bag easily, showing ability. We have to fill here the word which shows ability. So the modal can shows ability. So we will fill here, he can lift this bag easily. Students, if you think this video is able to be liked, so then like it and share with your friends also and subscribe the channel so that in future you can get this type of videos on your device. So let's move further. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. In modern times, books are being published dash very large numbers and all the subjects. So we will fill here. In modern times, books are being published in very large numbers. In you can see in option second, in very large numbers for all the subjects. So option is in and for in both the blanks. Number 4, fill in the blanks with the suitable conjunction for the given sentences. Conjunction is what? That conjuncts joins two sentences. So, dash did I reach the station? Dash the train left. Right answer is no sooner did I reach the station than the train left. Option second. Fill in the blank with the correct non-finite form of the verb given in the bracket. He was the first dash and the word is arrive. Non-finite form of the arrive is he was the first to arrive. Option first to arrive. Choose the sentence with past perfect tense. Students, we know that in past perfect tense we use only had with third form of verb. So you can see in the options, had we have used had in only second option. They had done their work. This is the right answer because with had we have used also third form of do, did, done, do. Okay, done is third form and had we have used only had here. 7. Punctuate the following sentence. He asked me why I was crying. He, H should be capital and in all the four options H is capital. Asked me why I was crying. And you can see here in the first option, he asked me why I was crying. It seems okay. But at the end, you can see there is no full stop. So this option is also wrong. Let's see second option. He asked me why I was crying. It is correct. And fourth, you can see he asked me why I was crying. It is also correct. So by mistake, both answer are correct. You can tick anyone out of these. So students, we have done two practice sets. Now move to third practice set. First of all, you should know that this kind of practice is beneficial for all of you and examination purpose also. So you can share it with your friends and with your dear ones. And you should keep your notification on your mobile so that in future you can get this type of grammatical type of videos on your mobile easily and subscribe the channel without any delay. So students, let's move further. Here you can see first one is fill in the blanks with suitable determinants. My friend does not want dash interference in dash life. We have to use here determinants. So answer is my friend does not want any interference in his life. Option first. Fill in the blank with a suitable modal. You dash not hurry. There is plenty of time. Answer is you should not hurry. There is plenty of time. Fill in the blank with suitable prepositions. He was really a man dash letters, but unfortunately he was blind dash one eye. So we will fill here. He was really a man of letters. Option second, you can see here of, but unfortunately he was blind with one eye. Okay, so answer is fourth one, of. In first blank of and in second one with one eye. Choose the correct conjunction for the given sentence. Conjunction is what? That joins two names or two sentences. Here two names, Jack and David. So Jack dash David went to the market. So easily we can say simply Jack and David. So right answer is and option third. Fill in the blanks with the suitable non-finite verb. Every miser hates dash money. Answer is every miser hates to spend money. Option second. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. Present continuous tense. I dash notes and the word is take. We have to make present continuous tense. As you know, in present continuous tense we use is, am or are with first form of verb plus ing. So is am or are, you can see all the options. In first, is am or is not using. In second, was is used, it's wrong. In third, have is used, it's wrong. The last one is am not taking, it's right, because am is used with first form of take, taking, ing is along with it. So the right answer is I am not taking notes. I am not taking notes. Choose the right option, punctuation, which may be right, we can see easily. First of all, keep in mind that the first letter of every sentence should be a capital one. So out of all the options, only we have fourth one, that is M is capital here. So answer is fourth one. May I come in, sir? Question mark, option 4. So students, it was practice set of 3 number. So move to practice set number 4. 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable determinants. As simple as we done already. It was dash pleasant afternoon. Dash birds were chatting in the garden. Okay. Now we will find the answer. It was a pleasant afternoon. The birds were chatting in the garden. So option B seems right. In first we will put A, and in second we will put the. Next, fill in the blank with a suitable modal. You dash go out for a walk every day. You should go out for a walk every day, option second. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. It is dash the very nature dash adversity or to bring out the best in man. It is in the very nature of adversity, option A. Join the following sentences with the suitable conjunction. Conjunction is what? That joins two sentences. Here we have two sentences. One is I know him, and second is I know his brother. So options you can see. First one is I know him and I know his brother. It is not right. Second, I know him and his brother. This is right. In spite of this, there are two options remained. So these remaining two options are wrong. And the right one is second. This one second. I know him and his brother. This is right. Fill in the blanks with the suitable non-finite form of the verb in the bracket. We have to use the form of non-finite of swim. Dash is a good exercise, and the word is swim. So answer is swimming is a good exercise, option first. Fill in the blank with the suitable form of the verb. We have to fill here suitable form according to the sentence. Who dash swim in the pond every day? We know that who is a singular. So with singular we will use swims. Who swims in the pond every day? Option first. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. Correctly punctuated is, you can see in first one, she is PhD. PhD is wrong, and also at the end of the first sentence there is no full stop. So option 1 is not right. Second, you can see she is a PhD student. All the letters P and H and D should not be capital, and at the end of the sentence there is no full stop. So B is also wrong. Third one is she is a PhD student. There is no full stop. So option D is right. She is a PhD student. Full stop. It was set 4. So now move to set number 5. One is combine the sentences with suitable conjunction. Mohan is honest. He is sincere. We have to combine them. Mohan is honest and sincere. Simply you can see it. Mohan is honest and sincere. Option A is right. Fill in the blank with correct form of the non-finite verb given in the bracket. Let me dash ask a question. Let me ask. Here only ask will come itself. Let me ask. Punctuate the following sentence. I like the poems of Amrita Pritam. Students, Amrita Pritam is a proper noun. So A should be capital. Option A is wrong because Amrita is written in lowercase. In B, you can see I like poems of Amrita Pritam, and the last there is no full stop. This is also wrong. I like poems of Amrita Pritam. It seems right, but at the end of sentence there is no full stop. And fourth one is also wrong because A is not capital. So by mistake, I think there should be a full stop in option B. It is a misprint. So option B seems right. I like the poems of Amrita Pritam. Fifth, fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. Though she is dash educated girl, dash temperament is not good. Though she is an educated girl, her temperament is not good. Option A. It means she is an educated girl, but she is short-tempered. She is very impulsive. So though she is an educated girl, her temperament is not good. Fill in the blank with a suitable modal. If I were the Prime Minister, I dash fight corruption. Answer is, if I were the Prime Minister, I would fight corruption. I shall go to Delhi change into past indefinite tense. We know that in past indefinite tense we use only second form of verb. So I shall go to Delhi, it is a future indefinite tense. So we will convert it into past indefinite tense with using second form of verb only. So second form of verb you can see where has been used. In first, no. In second, going, no. I went to Delhi. It is right because went is the second form of go. Go, went, gone. It is second form, went. So last one is fill in the blanks with the suitable prepositions. Dreams have been the topic dash discussion with men dash centuries. So answer is, dreams have been the topic of discussion with men for centuries. Option B. And it was all from my side, and meet you next video. Till then, see you, take care, bye. So friends, this was all about the video, and if you liked the video, then subscribe the channel and like, share and comment here, and press the bell icon also, so that you can get a notification for every new video on this topic. And so till then, see you, take care, bye, meet you soon.